Hi, this is Pam from Wood Camper Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you how to work in your front loops. I've done a number of single crochets working in both loops. Now I'm going to do a row working in my front loop only. To identify your front loop, look at your work from the top. You can see here's my next stitch. There's two loops. I have a front loop and a back loop, a front loop and a back loop, a front loop and a back loop. Normally when you do your single crochet, you would insert your hook into the next stitch, working under both loops. So working under your front loop and under your back loop. When we work under our front loop only, we only want to go under one loop. We're only going to go under this front loop here. Yarn over, pull through one loop, and I have two loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops to complete my single crochet in my front loop only. Let's try that again. Looking at your work from the top, you can see you have a front loop and a back loop, a front loop and a back loop. Instead of going under two loops, we're going under one loop, our front loop only. You can see I'm going in between those two loops. Yarn over and pull through one loop. I have two loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops to complete my single crochet in my front loops only. Let's do this one more time. Look at your stitches from the top. Find your front loop and your back loop. Insert your hook under one loop only. You can help yourself there by pulling that front stitch forward. Yarn over and pull through one loop. You have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops to complete your single crochet in your front loops only. If I look back here, I can see that it's creating this nice ridge, so it gives some pattern to your work. If you enjoy this video and like to see more, please subscribe to my channel.